Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat. Honey, I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame. Ntombi yaseGqeberha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
Simfonelo sma. Uzoshuta akwazi.
Hey, angihlangene nosimami.
No, man.
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what? How was your weekend? It was fine. Did you get a girlfriend? Did you drink alcohol?
No, I don't drink alcohol.
Okay.
I don't want a girlfriend.
You don't want a girlfriend? What? Why are you all shy when you know you want a girlfriend?
No, I don't want a girlfriend. I'm right, I'm single.
Okay. It's fine.
This is the domina now.
We must fix things. Did we break up?
I ain't about the buzz.
Hi guys. How are you? Oh, the cars. I'm so sorry. We've been waiting for you guys actually. I go around asking couples questions. Huh?
Why?
Because I just do conduct research for my YouTube and stuff.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, sisi.
Would you be okay with that?
Isebenza kanjani kuqala before sivumelana?
Relax!
Why is it food?
I just ask you questions, a couple's quiz. When did you meet? What's his favorite color? What's his favorite
Okay.
food? About questions
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
Now can we move forward?
Okay.
I just want good lighting.
Okay.
All right. Can I stand in between you guys?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm not team.
You don't trust me?
Yeah.
Why?
Like team.
But I just do I not look trustworthy? I don't look trustworthy.
Yeah.
I don't look trustworthy.
There was a TV in there.
Nah. But it's going on YouTube, to be fair. It's not going on TV.
Okay, aye.
At least.
Yeah, kungcono mara
Ne?
kuyafana.
Okay, name?
Sure.
Name?
Siphesihle emlangeni.
Spesihle, okay.
Nokulunga.
Nokulunga.
Yeah.
All right. How long have you been with Spe?
9 months.
9 months.
Yes.
Still going strong.
Yeah.
Okay. I want to be in love too. Look at her blushing. Where did you meet her?
Sihlangane khona la eJozi mfethu.
You found her. You saw her.
Mfethu yabona nawe.
Ne?
Yabona
Thanda
nawe
Park.
magolide.
Okay,
Mfethu.
okay.
Ngabona nami ukuthi hayi hamba naye.
You have to have her.
Na kanjani.
Period.
Mfethu.
Okay. Okay. All right. And how's the? We try enkonzweni. How's that?
Mfethu hayi. Yeah, yabona. I don't kiss and tell marai.
Oh, you don't kiss and tell?
Yeah, man.
But you just told me. Exactly. So if it's on 6, there's no reason to cheat, ne?
Yeah.
Probably a man can always cheat for other things.
Yeah, and futhi hayi amadoda ayawathembisi
Ne?
man. Indoda noma angayaneliseka mare
Yes, you can do everything for a man. You can cook.
ngamphekela ngimwashele ngimenzeleni
helicopter in
but
bed.
at the end makaphuma hayi
Ne?
uyobona abanye abangcono.
Do you agree with her?
Hayi ngangivumi ngiyaphika.
Okay.
Ngiyaphika. Umuntu esilisa makathanda uyakuthanda impela.
Period. But he can still cheat and love you? You don't think so?
khona into esuke ushodisa, khona into esuke ingekho.
Okay, but here there's everything.
Hayi la kuphelele la, hayi ngiyakutshela.
Okay. No, guys, you know what? Let me get straight to the point. The reason you probably don't trust me, we do a loyalty test on this show. We make couples switch phones.
Couples.
Spare, don't lose me. Spare, come closer.
Yabona?
phones.
Yeah.
Ngicela ukubuza for in.
To check your loyalty, angithi. If he's cheating on you or if you cheating on
Hayi
him.
kodwa mina hayi angichidi mosiso siphi isidingo sokuthi abami phone yami. Uyazi
What?
ukuthi phone yami phone yami.
What if he's cheating?
Hayi lapho angazi.
Exactly.
Angiyamthemba ungasabi ke mina.
But do you trust? What about you?
Ngiyathembakala nawe ngicabanga ukuthi uyangibona nawe.
Hayi alibani.
Awubona kanje umuntu ethembakalayo mfisi.
You even have blonde hair sticking out there. You are baddie wena. I don't trust you.
Lunge kanje mfisi.
Blonde hair.
Hayi.
You are baddie.
Cha mfisi ngizilungele kuba uyazi ntwana kuba uyazi ngilungile.
Okay. Then let's switch phones, guys. We'll start with his.
Wayisiqala ngiyami.
Why not?
Bafethu.
Why not? Do you have a passcode pattern? What?
Ayinayo.
Are you sure?
100.
Ayikho.
100.
Okay, go to his WhatsApp, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, type. Okay, right there on search, yeah.
Yeah.
Type love you. Space.
Hayi angitholi next.
Ne?
Yeah.
Okay. Type miss you.
Still angitholi no.
The person doesn't text you and
Next.
say, Dokulunga, what, I miss you.
No, sikhuluma nge-call mina naye every time, yeah.
Okay.
Because
Ne?
yeah.
Okay.
Prefer ukuthi angifonele kunokuthi sikhulume. But ithi mangingena ku WhatsApp yakhe, surely ngathola something. For sure.
But, hi, Dokulunga, what are you typing? Delete that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Type outside. Let's see who is fetching.
Hayi yimi nje kuphela ku
Yeah, that's
WhatsApp.
you.
Yeah.
Okay, delete. At least. Okay. Type babe.
Still kusase yimi.
Still, okay.
Yeah.
Type pregnant.
Asibhali into eyiningi la.
Spare our meetings is spare.
Ayikho. There's no
Okay.
such, yeah.
Type standwa. Hey, that's
Still,
you. But
that's me.
I don't know. Where now?
Tshela.
Delete.
Yeah.
Type thank you. Let's see who is doing favors.
Yeah. Hayi umngani wakhe nje kuphela. Yeah.
Morning after.
Hayi ke nna fela.
Yeah, it's fine. Yo. I'm still. He's loyal. Shane, okay. Don't disappoint us, Nokulunga, ne?
Mari, I think masisiqedile so kumele siye khona.
Hayi, asoze.
Sibile sibone yami
Asoze. Open the phone. If you're cheating on a good-looking guy like this, I don't know what you want. Oh, Nesmanga. I think she's actually. You know what? Let me keep quiet. Go to search.
Okay.
Type miss you.
Okay. Yimi lo.
Okay, yeah, I can see.
I think
that.
umamakhe lo.
Okay.
Sisi wakhe.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Delete. Type love you.
Okay, yeah, still kusavela mina. Umamakhe lo.
Okay.
Yeah, I think umngani wakhe lo ngiyamazi, yeah.
All right. Delete. Type. Hey. You know when dark-skinned people are scared, they usually say they turn purple, ne? You are pink. Why is she pink? Why she's why tatazela?
I'm saying mangazwa yilokho ke manje.
Tatazeli.
Wenza ntoni?
Ngicede hle.
Ntoni yenzayo? Ifo tatazela. Hey, oh.
Hey,
Delete.
sisibona.
Type thank you. Let's see who's doing her favors.
Okay.
Wabomvu umuntu hayi nokulunga hayi.
Naba ngiyakuvela bolwandi la.
Why who's London? Why is he doing you a favor? Go inside.
Umngani wami yabo like obvious.
Go into the chat.
How?
What is she saying thank you for?
Vakashele.
Ulwandi bonga ukuthi umsendelile ayideni.
Beka
Usendile ayideni yami, ubonisa ulandile ayideni yami.
Ithi ngiexplain.
Bonisa ulandile ayideni yami.
Waza ngikutshele ulwande phela ngithi like baby yabo. Inkinga ulwande uyangithi.
Marampesu.
Marampesu. Uyangiphi imali and ish baby. Ayikho into eshada ngayo uright umuntu.
Come down love. Come down love. Ithini into yakho?
Obviously mina sisinolwande obviously mara sisi yabona makufika wena sekuyenzeka izinto ezikanje. No bese right nomuntu wami all along then ikufika wena bese right kahle yabona bese ngoba inxa yakho ngoba manje ubheka uthatha ifone yami ngenxa yakho. Uyazi ukuthi abambi ifone yami abe busy nani asearch bekangayazi nix ngabolwande.
I did not help you cheat with my love, ne?
Ngicela ungijinde.
Why are you sending Ulwande and we send her?
Ay ulwande uyangiphi imali. Angani uright usiphesihle ngipha yonke into engiyifunayo nasembedeni mara akangiphi imali usiphesihle ungidlisa nje amakota every time. Mina angifuni into enjalo sisi. Yena ukumthanda ngiyamthanda mara akangiphi imali. Ene mina ngifuna imali ngidila ngemali.
Okay.
Hey. Okay. Yeah, ukumthanda and angeke ngize ngimiyekele ngimlahle ngoba ugudu ngipha kamnandi umuntu wami mara nesikhathi sakhe akangiphi nesikhathi sakhe usiphesihle. Uhleza phanda every day yena uhleza phanda. Hayi so mina
So Ulwande usika imali and how long have you been with Ulwande?
Ulwande uyangiphi imali. Hayi it's been 2 weeks manje.
2 weeks. You sending indoda into yakho within 2 weeks that you've known for 2 weeks.
Angithi phela like uyang-understand ngiyakwazi ukukhalela kuye yonke into mara ngiyacela umuntu wami bekuyinto nje ya once off bekuyinto ya once off mamela sithandwa sami mamela bekuyinto ya once off ene mamela angithi ngiyakutshela ukuthi into ya once off mina nalomuntu lo asithandani noma ungabheka asithandani nalomuntu lo just singabangani.
Hayi suka.
Go up. This just from February. What do you mean?
Ngizobuza leyo nto uthi for 2 weeks yokwenzani 2 weeks yokwenzani.
Sisigqele.
I2 weeks enama chance amaningi kanje.
Mamela baby mamela. Okay askisi ke bengirong ngiyavuma baby bengirong mare.
I2 weeks ama chance amaningi kanje.
Mina ngiyakuthanda hle asekela bolwande nabo bani.
Ulwande intoni? You wanna call Ulwande?
Ngiyacela sisiwami yazi.
Let's call. Let's
ngamfonela ubhizi usemsebenzini ngicela ifone yami can I help
you even know that usemsebenzini Ulwande?
Shit. Yazi.
You even know that usemsebenzini?
Uhlezi uphanda every time awungiphi imali enough mos naleyo mali awungiphi.
Are you in a relationship or a job sana sifuna kunika imali? Kangoku imali ngeyantona isuka. Hi, am I speaking to Lwande? Hello?
Yeah, you are.
Do you know Unokulunga?
Yeah, I know it.
Okay, what is she to you?
She's my girlfriend.
Come down.
Umuntu wakho manje ngomuntu wakho ungazelaphi njengoba uthi umuntu wakho ungazelaphi yabo manje ukuthi ungihlukanisa nomuntu wamama mpela ngenxa yakho.
Lwande, how long have you been with Unokulunga?
Uthi ngizwe la.
We've been together for a year or so.
Intombazana a year 6 months. Okay, thank you Lwande. Uyasiqhela wena.
Asilungise izinto manje awufuni isilungise izinto baby.
Lwande, yo, Lwande ngoku. Spare. Are you done?
Yabona, ngimoshela umshado wami engiqalayo. Ngiqala umshado uyangimoshela.
But she's
Sangilandela nawe.
been with that guy for 1 year, 6
Okay,
months.
mina senginishiya nonke la.
Okay.
Sengitraina, ngisafuna yena. Hayi ngikuphi usikaqaqaqe nangusikaqe. Ngikuphi usikaqaqaqe umuntu wakho omusha. Sengikuphi usikaqaqe ke manje.
Yangola.
Shame.
Imapa. He's been with Lwande for 1 year, 6 months.
Yeah.
So was he a side chick? Your side nigga, sidekick, sorry.
Hayi, vele bekuyiside chick lo. Hayi.
Ba,
Bekuyiside chick yana lo.
uyaphi ke why you?
Obvious angisimele ngiyokhuluma naye. Baby!
Oh, sana. Kuthiwa wonders shall never end. Oh, I'm so over it. I am so over it. It's absolutely gone bananas. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _ See you later.
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niya Tembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
Simfanele sima uzosho ukuthi akwazi.
Hey, angihlangene nosimami.
No, manje uzokhuluma nobala. So yini yakho wani? Mangithatha i-private life yami ibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi le mfihlo?
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?